Embracing the future, the evolution of AI. As the dawn of a new era approaches, the evolution of artificial intelligence emerges as a beacon of hope. Humanity stands on the brink of revolutionary change, a change brought about by AI. AI, the brainchild of human intellect, promises to transform our world. From healthcare to education, from business to entertainment, its potential is limitless. The science of AI is deep and complex. Its evolution has been a journey from primitive programming to self-learning machines. Yet, the journey has just begun. The evolution of AI has not been a linear path. It has witnessed several breakthroughs, interspersed with periods of stagnation and even regression. In the early stages, AI was simply a form of automation. Machines were programmed to follow exact instructions, a far cry from the AI we envision today. Then came the era of machine learning. Machines started learning from data. They started making predictions and decisions, a significant leap in AI evolution. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, was the next big leap. It enabled machines to mimic the human brain, understanding abstract concepts and making autonomous decisions. The evolution of AI is not just about technology. It is about redefining what it means to be human. As AI becomes more advanced, it brings us face to face with profound ethical and moral questions. AI's potential is exhilarating. It can drive cars, diagnose diseases, even write music, but it is also a Pandora's box. Its misuse can lead to potential threats. As AI evolves, we must ensure that it serves humanity, not the other way around. It must be designed and used responsibly, with respect for human rights and dignity. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is shaped by our choices, our actions, our values. We must guide its evolution to create a future that benefits all. AI is not a distant dream. It is here now, changing our lives in ways we could never have imagined. We must embrace it, harness its potential, but also remain vigilant of its risks. AI is not just a tool. It is a mirror, reflecting our values, our hopes, and our fears. As it evolves, it reveals more about us than we may be comfortable with. AI's evolution is not just about developing smarter machines. It's about creating a more equitable, inclusive, and sustainable world. AI can help us solve some of the most pressing problems we face: climate change, inequality, disease, but only if we guide its evolution with wisdom and foresight. AI opens new frontiers of knowledge. It can help us explore the depths of the ocean, the mysteries of the human brain, the secrets of the universe. But it also confronts us with new challenges. The evolution of AI is a journey, not a destination. It is a journey fraught with possibilities and risks, hope and fear, promise and peril. As we embark on this journey, we must remember that technology is only as good as the values it embodies. AI is not just about algorithms and data. It's about people. It's about our dreams, our fears, our aspirations. It's about who we are and who we want to become. The future of AI is in our hands. Let us shape it with wisdom, compassion, and courage. The evolution of AI is a testament to human ingenuity. It is a story of triumph, struggle, and resilience. AI can be a tool for good or a weapon of destruction. It is up to us to decide. AI can make our lives easier, more productive, more fulfilling. But it can also disrupt our lives, our jobs, our societies. The evolution of AI is a thrilling adventure. It is a journey into the unknown, a voyage of discovery. AI can democratize knowledge, empower individuals, transform societies, but it can also concentrate power, exacerbate inequality, erode privacy. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear. It will shape our lives, our societies, our world in ways we can hardly imagine. AI challenges us to rethink our assumptions, our beliefs, our values. It forces us to confront the most profound questions of our time. The evolution of AI is not just a technological revolution. It is a social, economic, political, cultural, ethical revolution. AI is not just a product of human intellect. It is a reflection of human spirit, embodying our hopes, our fears, our dreams, our values. AI is not just about bits and bytes. It's about hearts and minds. It's about dreams and realities. It's about us. The future of AI is not just about machines. It's about humanity. It's about our future. Let us embrace it with hope, wisdom, and courage. AI's evolution is not just a story of technological innovation. It's a story of human transformation, of growth, of adaptation. The future is not just something that happens. It is something we create. Let us create a future that reflects our highest values, our deepest aspirations. As we stand on the brink of a new era, let us remember that the evolution of AI is not just a journey into the future. It is a journey into ourselves. Embrace the future. Embrace the evolution of AI. The future is ours to shape. Let's shape it wisely, courageously, compassionately. Let's shape it together.